I'm Dean Beyett with 5 Star Car Stereo. I've been with 5 Star for the last 10 years. That'll bring my grand total in the industry of 32 years. Wow, right? I know. Every year is a little bit different than the year before, but what was great about this year is a project that we started way back in 2019 finally happened, and we were able to bring to market a new tool that we developed called the IRTA2. This allows installers to affordably buy an electrical RTA to do measurements inside a vehicle. We were able to get them in stock, open the online store, and start shipping them out this year. It was really cool. Well, I would hope customers would describe me as informative, friendly, nice. One of the things I do when interacting with our customers is listen, hear what they have to say, and then try to build the system that they're here to get. Not overcomplicate it, not be, I don't like to sell. I like to involve them in the process. As far as influencing the rest of the store, it's not a big store. It's just 3 people, including myself. So we do have to interact with each other, and I like to keep an open dialogue. I want to hear everyone's opinion. I don't want to be the final say on anything. I like to make sure that everything is jiving the way it's supposed to. And because it is a small environment, everyone has to get along, and we all have to, make concessions that hopefully work for the best. When it comes to installation, I'm most known for clean wire. We've gone to the extreme on it in that we have our own Facebook page called the 12 Volt Clean Wire Club that has like 80,000 members of like-minded people. They like to do clean wire. I also came out with the wire ruler that I sell through Mobile Solutions. Clean wire is the thing. I love making sure that my wiring is like an architectural rendering. We don't do a ton of fabrication here. Most of that is behind the scenes, like brackets or amp racks or little tiny logos. So the stuff that you do see, we want it to be as clean as possible. The installation is the final piece of the puzzle. But I want every moment to be something that they really enjoyed. From the beginning part, when we first do the initial consultation, all the way through to the end where I walk out with a customer, I show them their new system as far as where the fuse holders are, how the amplifiers are mounted, and then we sit inside the car, listen to 5 or 10 songs, depending on what the mood is, and just jam out and get the reaction. Make sure that they know how everything is supposed to sound, and just that smile on their face when they're done, like, yeah, this was money well spent. I'm glad I did this. I want them to leave just happy. Every year is a fresh start, I like to think, when it comes to experiences and doing new things for me and my partner here, Fernando. This year, I had the great honor of being asked to go to Emma World Finals by HKI. Tommy Spears, Doug Dobson, Diogo. We all headed out to Austria and spent a week tooling around, having a great time, which meant I got to spend a lot of time with those guys and really get to know them better. We also headed out to Mobile Solutions this year to do some work there, where I got to hang out with Sage and Justin, which was a blast, along with that guy Brian and Juan. Like, Juan's the best, Juan for president, along with a bunch of other things. And each year I always look back and go, man, we did a lot of cool things this year and met a lot of really cool people. And I want to thank all you guys that, we did get to meet, because it's always a blast. As far as what the criteria for one of the top 50 installers is, I would think it's just somebody that really represents the industry in a positive way. Every year we teach at Knowledge Fest. We have a YouTube channel where our main goal is to educate and entertain consumers as well as industry people And we try to bring as much fun and excitement to the 12-volt industry as we can. This is how I make a living and how the rest of you guys make a living too. And I want it to be as fun as it can possibly be. I feel like I really do a good job at that. And yeah, I guess that might make me eligible to be a top 50. Now for the fun part of the video, like when I get to show you the install bay. However, I believe our install bay is probably one of the most filmed install bays. I'm a big advocate in having as many tools as possible. These crates are filled with tools. This toolbox is filled with tools. Those toolboxes are filled with tools. I have one of the biggest tools of the industry right here. Most helpful guy alive, right here. This guy, this is my #1 tool. Right there. I got drawers of stuff. I got RTAs, I've got table saws, router, I've got it all. You guys know what this stuff looks like. I mean, if you really need to see it, I'll show you some stuff. This is the electronics drawer, RTAs, handhelds, noisemakers. The stuff that won't fit in this drawer goes into this drawer. So this is all electrical measurement and stuff like that. I like to make sure I have all the latest, greatest tools necessary to do my job. We don't work with wood, we work with plastic. We have saws, we have sanders, we have routers, we have table saws, we have panel saws, we have templates and bits. I like to stock as many DSPs as I can so I can keep up with how they work. We call those tools. Naturally, we have a laser. After talking with Tom Miller, I bought a Flash Forge 3D printer. Can't wait to unbox this and start playing with it. Because we film a lot of videos, we also have a ton of tools for that. We have an amp dyno with tons of power to make that work. We have drop-down cameras and cinematic lighting. We have cameras pretty much hidden everywhere throughout the place. There's another camera sitting right there. Thank you guys so much for spending your time and watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. I hope you let me be part of the top 50. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Fernando.
On to the next one. On to the next one, guys.